How to create an Instagram account. Select Create New Account. You can create an Instagram account using a phone number or an email address. Here, I'll create an Instagram account using an email address. Enter your email address. Select Next. Enter your password. Select Next. Select your date of birth. Select Next. Enter your name. Select Next. You can create a username. Then select Next. Select one Agree. You can either add a profile picture now or skip it. Select Skip. Select Skip. Select Skip. Select Skip. Select Skip. Select Skip. Just like that, you successfully created an Instagram account.